have to express these given numbers as rupees in decimal forms. So here 9 paisas are given, 9 paisa. So 1 rupee contains how many paisas? 1 rupee contains 100 paisa. So here 9 paisas are given. So we have to convert this 9 paisa into rupees. We have to convert this 9 paisas into rupees. So by dividing with 100, see here children, 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. But here given 9 paisa. 9 paisa means how in 100 parts how many parts are given? 9 parts are given only. In 100 parts 9 parts are given. So 9 parts are given in 100 parts. So 9 by 100 rupees. We have to simply divide with 100. Then it should be converted into, it must be converted into rupees. So 9 paisa is equal to 9 paisa is equal to 9 by 100 rupees. But here asking in decimal form. So we have to convert this into decimal form. Means here 2 zeros here. So we have to, after part we have to write 2 digits. So 0.09 rupees. 0.09 rupees. 9 paisa is equal to 0.09 rupees. Or simply divide this 9 by 100 means 100 here and 9. So it is it should be, we must add 0 here. So 90 is also not divisible by 10. So we must add 0 here and 0. In 900 how many times? 9 times 900. So 0.09. Quotient is the answer. Because 0 remainder is 0. Then quotient is the answer. Okay, now convert our 7 rupees 7 paisa into 5 rupees. So here 7 rupees are given. Put it aside. 7 rupees are given. So this should not be converted because also given rupees are given. So we have to convert this 7 paisa. 7 paisa is equal to, we know that we have to divide it by 100. So 7 by 100 rupees. 7 by 100 rupees. That is equal to 0.07 rupees. Then add this to 707 rupees. 7. Okay, here 7 rupees. So 7 rupees and here 0.07 rupees, 0.07 rupees. Now add these two numbers. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, 0 plus 0, 0 and 7 plus 0, 7. That is equal to 7.07 rupees. Okay children? Okay children, next question is express 45 millimeters. Mm means millimeters in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay children, see here 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means km is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And 1 centimeter is equal to, centimeters means cm, so I am mentioning cm here. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. Okay children, remember these units. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. By using these units we have to solve this problem. So here 45 millimeters are given. We have to convert this 45 millimeters into centimeters, meters and kilometers. So given is 45 millimeters. Then 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Now we have to divide this 45 millimeters by 10 centimeters. Then converted into centimeters. Then 45 millimeters is equal to 45 by 10 centimeters. Because 1 millimeter have 1 centimeter have 10 millimeters. That's why I am multiplying with 10. Okay. So 45 divided by 10 means, see here, 45. 10 in 45, 4 times 4 into 10, 40, 40 minus 45 minus 5, 5. So in 5, I am adding point here, so 50, 55 times, so 0. Here 4.5, so it becomes 4.5 centimeters. Okay, children? Now we have to convert this 45 millimeters to meters. Centimeters is completed. 4.5 centimeters as we have our answer. Now meters. So 1. See here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That is equal to 100 into 10 millimeters. Because 1 centimeter have 10 millimeters. That's why I am multiplying 100 with 10. This is equal to 1000 millimeters. Now 45 millimeters is equal to 45 divided by 1000 meters. 45 divided by 1000 meters. It becomes 0.045 meters. 0.045 meters. Okay, children, I am dividing here. That's why we get 0.045 meters. After decimal point, we have 3 digits because we have 3 zeros here. Okay, now we have to convert the 45 millimeters into kilometers. So see here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1000 into 1 meter have how many millimeters? 1 meter have 1000 millimeters. That's why I am multiplying with 1000. So 1000 into 1000 is equal to 1000 thousands. Means 10 lakhs. Means 10 lakhs. So 45 millimeter is equal to 45 divided by 10 lakhs. Okay, that is equal to 0.0000045 kilometers. Okay, 45 millimeters is equal to 0.00045 kilometers. Okay, children. Okay, children, do this problem as homework. Express 10 centimeters in meter and kilometers. So write this 10 centimeters, convert this 10 centimeters into meters and kilometers. Thank you, children. See you tomorrow. Bye.